Hey, it's a special what's happening to all my soldiers over there in Iraq. Everybody right here. What you need? I need your remote, buddy.
Hi, YouTube.
Guys. I want to watch it with me on these guys.
Hello. Look, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on my eye. You want to see my makeup on my eye?
Hey, Bailey, want to play?
Just put it here, 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 and then you put a little bit right under
You
here.
flush that toilet, Stinky?
Daddy,
Go flush that toilet, Stinky butt.
take this.
Go flush the toilet.
Bailey.
It's HD, so you see every little freckle on my face.
Play.
Boogers in my nose. Hi. And I can say, this is Golden Gloss by YSL. See, it has flecks in it. This was what it looks like, and you apply it to your lips.
Hurry up, Riley. Just finish the level.
Yeah, finish low so we can all play again. Go.
See my teeth?
No. Bailey, you know,
I love my camcorder!